cool.
It is pretty cool. Hey everyone, my name is Kathryn. Thank you as always for watching my channel. You guys probably know that I love to talk travel around here, and I have a video here on my channel dedicated to my travel makeup and toiletry essentials. That video really covers all of the bases when it comes to the toiletries that I travel with. But today I want to talk about my travel toiletry necessities. These are the must-have core items that I always have in my toiletry bag when I travel. Whether I'm going on a week-long trip or just a short weekend getaway, these are the toiletry items that I do not leave home without. We're not going to talk about basic hygiene items in this video because I would think, at least I would hope, that you know that I'm always bringing a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, and things like that with me when I travel. The 10 items that I'm going to talk about are a little more interesting than those basic hygiene items, so if you're interested in seeing what I always have in my travel toiletry bag, please keep on watching, and if you enjoy the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a lot, and definitely subscribe if you enjoy packing, wardrobe, and style related videos. My first travel toiletry necessity is a face cleanser. I am really comfortable swapping out shampoo, conditioner, and body wash with the items that might be provided in my hotel or at my Airbnb, but when it comes to skincare, I don't like to run the risk of trying something new when I'm traveling when my skin is already really susceptible to having breakouts. So I always bring a facial cleanser with me when I travel so I don't disrupt my skincare routine. I like to go for a gentle cleanser, and I am currently using the Burt's Bees facial cleanser, but I have also used the Vanicream cleanser in the past. Basically anything gentle works really well on my skin. I do not travel with a 6-ounce tube of cleanser. I like to put it in a smaller container, which brings me to my next travel toiletry necessity. It is these human gear tubs, and I know that these aren't technically a toiletry item, but they are my favorite containers to store my toiletries when traveling. These human gear tubs are so easy to use. All you do is squeeze off the lid and then you can snap it back on, and they are super secure. I have never had any leaks or spills when using these tubs. I haven't put anything super watery inside of them, but for something more gel-based like a cleanser or even a body lotion or a cleansing balm or something like that, these containers do a great job of keeping your toiletries safe. These little containers can come in handy for things like jewelry when you're traveling. Again, jewelry isn't a toiletry, but you can get a lot of different uses out of these containers. I've even seen people put vitamins and things like that in here. I have these linked in the description box of all of my packing videos because I cannot recommend them enough. In fact, I'll have all of the items that I talk about in this video linked below, so definitely check them out. I know I took a departure from skincare for a second talking about those containers, but I did want to backtrack and mention just a couple more face items that I always bring with me when traveling. First is a blemish treatment serum or a spot treatment of some sort. I've mentioned several times on my channel that my skin can get pretty fussy when traveling, usually due to eating out a lot and enjoying lots of drinks and stuff like that. So I am always sure to bring a blemish serum with me in my toiletry bag. I always used to pack my Glossier Super Pure serum with me when I traveled, but when that ran out recently, I wanted to try something different, so I picked up the ordinary niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% high-strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. I've been using this serum for about a month now, and it does an awesome job at keeping my redness and breakouts at bay when I am dealing with some acne, whether I'm at home or when I'm traveling. If I had to recommend an anti-blemish serum for traveling, definitely pick up a niacinamide and zinc based one like this one from The Ordinary. This one is very inexpensive as well, which is awesome. Another travel toiletry necessity for my face is a day to night moisturizer. So I mean a moisturizer that I can easily wear in the morning, layered underneath makeup, as well as at night before going to bed. For many years, I have used CeraVe face lotions. In the winter when my skin is a lot more dry, I use the really thick moisturizing cream, and I just put a few pumps into one of these little human gear tubs and I'm good to go for traveling. But another CeraVe product that I have traveled with a lot historically is the PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This is 3 fluid ounces, so it's TSA approved, and the packaging is really thin, so I don't need to decant it at all. It's a really easy option to just throw into my travel toiletry bag and not take up a ton of room. My next travel toiletry necessity is a lip balm. I'm not talking about a tube of chapstick. I'm talking about a really thick and heavy duty balm that can keep my lips nice and nourished when I'm traveling. I picked up this Glossier balm.com in the rose scent in New York City a couple of years ago. I have some New York City related videos that I will link up above or in the description box for you guys, and this is still going strong. I still have probably like a fourth left in this tube, so it definitely lasts a really long time. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and it provides just a really nice nourishing layer to my lips. But if you don't want to fork over, I think it's like 15 bucks for one of these balm.coms, Vaseline works just as well. You can get a tiny tub like this one from your local drugstore, and this can serve as a really nice, intense, nourishing lip balm for you when traveling. Moving on to hair related items, I'm not really fussy when it comes to my shampoo and conditioner when traveling. Similar to my body wash, I think that I can just use whatever is provided at my end destination and be just fine. But I do like to bring one specialized hair product, and that is a heat protectant of some sort. I used to be a Birchbox customer, and one of my absolute favorite products that I ever got from Birchbox was this Beauty Protector Protect and Detangle Leave-In Conditioner. You can see that it comes in this cute little spray bottle, which is the perfect size for traveling. And what I love about this product is that first and foremost, it smells fantastic. And secondly, it is multi-purpose. So as the name suggests, this can be used as a heat protector as well as a detangler. So even if I am using any old shampoo or conditioner provided at my end destination, I still like to add a hair product like this into my travel toiletry bag to make sure that my hair is staying nice and conditioned and protected from any heat. My next hair must-have for traveling is a whole bunch of ponytails. It's honestly shocking that I am not wearing a high ponytail in this video because that's kind of my go-to style in the vast majority of my videos. A high ponytail is definitely my go-to look when it comes to second day hair, or if I'm just having a really lazy hair day. So I always bring a bunch of ponytails with me when I travel. This little set of ponies right here, I just keep clamped with a super teeny tiny banana clip that you can see right there. I said in my most recent pack with me video that I'm having like a moment with hair accessories, so I went and bought a bunch of scrunchies off of Amazon recently. They were only like 7 or 8 bucks, I think, for a pack of 12 or something like that, and I got a lot of wear out of hair scrunchies on my recent trip to Florida. So I'm always including scrunchies and ponytails of some sorts in my travel toiletry bag. The last hair item I want to mention is my wet brush. It has seen better days. Yeah, this thing probably needs to be cleaned. But it's an excellent brush to bring while traveling because it works on wet hair and it won't pull at any knots in your hair. And it of course works really well on just dry hair as well, as you can see. Although this hairbrush does not technically fit in my toiletry bag, it is still a travel toiletry necessity, and I bring it with me on each and every trip. Another item that is always in my travel toiletry bag is a perfume of some sort. I like to travel with rollerball perfumes because I find that they don't take up a lot of space and they're less prone to leakage because the ball is kind of like limiting, I guess. I don't think that makes sense, but whatever. I am currently using the Tory Burch Love Relentlessly perfume, which is a really nice kind of florally feminine scent. Or another perfume, or I guess body spray that I like to bring with me when traveling is this Aquamarine scent from Bath and Body Works. It's less than 1 fluid ounce, so a really great size for traveling. And I find that if I'm using a body wash or a body lotion that isn't in my usual scent, it's nice to have my own perfume with me so I can kind of smell like normal. Not more normal, I guess just smell more like familiar. Hopefully you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so the last travel toiletry necessity I want to talk about may not be ridiculously interesting. I know I said at the beginning of this video that all of these items were going to be interesting, and hopefully they have been so far. But whether it's interesting or not, the final item that I always have in my toiletry bag are vitamin C packets. I'm always really nervous about getting ill when traveling, and I want to make sure that my immunity stays nice and strong so I don't need to miss out on any of my trip by falling sick. So So I always like to have some vitamin C packets with me to give me a little boost of health and vitality so I can stay healthy when traveling. I like to have these with me in my toiletry bag in case I start to feel under the weather when I am away from home. That does it for my 10 travel toiletry necessities. Check out the description box of this video for links to all of the items that I shared with you guys. I really enjoy filming packing and travel related videos, and you guys seem to continue to love them as well. So thank you so much as always for watching this video and supporting my channel. It really means a lot and I appreciate you guys. Leave me a comment below letting me know what your travel toiletry necessities are. I would love to hear, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon in my next video. I hope you're having a great day and I will catch you later. Bye. Thank you.